In front of me is Sony Xperia 514, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation on this Sony. First of all, go into tab menu and look for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now black. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same again. You can also go into devices settings, scroll down and tap on display section. Then scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to enable or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!